black long stripe from like his head to his mid-back, right down here below the bar. Anyone see him? What I'm talking about? He's kind of gray. He has blue lips. He spit out sand. But that's the Hawaii state fish, and its name is the Huhu Huhu Nuku Nuku Akuha. It's a reef trigger fish. So when he gets triggered, he'll actually snort and grunt underwater like a pig. And his name actually translates to pig in that spot. But they are really beautiful. They have those blue lips, they have that black stripe that's kind of outlined.
Do you know that type of fish?
There's a lot of those guys out here. If you catch them fishing, you do have to throw them back because they are protected.
You know?
Look at her.
There's an ornate butterfly fish right out here in front of that low coral. So that circular white one, there's two of them. And they have those orange stripes. Those are the ornate butterfly fish.
1, 2, 3.
I'm just playing. See, I understood.
Pag nasira yung snorkeler, yung madaming anak yung magbabayan. Pag nasira yung snorkeler, yung may pinakamadaming anak na high tide for us. Steps up onto the boat. There's railings to help yourself up, and there's sanitizer to use after touching the railing. As you head down the deck, we'll show you how to get into the cabin, where it's air conditioned, where the windows are, where there's more sanitizer. That is where and when you put your mask back on. Per the Coast Guard, only downstairs, so you have to have the mask. 5 and under, it's up to the parents. But for the adults, we are allowed to move them up or down if you're eating or drinking. Turtles. On this morning's trip, an eagle ray and a white-tip shark swam by. You want to be able to see them. We got all 17 here.
No, we're actually waiting for the 4.
Well,
They're on their way 2 minutes.
we should have been here, but you guys can go take your.
Well, but
their
we need you
photo.
to come down this way.
yeah.
That way we're ready.
Mama!
Oh,
Oh, hold on.
Can you?
I kiss it.
Alright, 1, 2, 3.
Oh, give me Ethan daw. No. He said, give me Ethan.
1, 2, 3. Okay, let's go.
Enjoy with that.
Alright. So smiles up.
Yeah.
Everybody's here?
Everybody.
Everybody's taking a picture.
All right, guys, we've got 2 more minutes and we have to go.
Smile.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, man.
Yeah, you guys got photo bombed. All right, you guys, actually go over towards our little swing area over there.
Okay, they gotta unload their boat. No.
Hi. We'll give Heidi a big mahalo for holding
Welcome
her.
aboard.
Glad you made it.
All I want
black long stripe from like his head to his mid back, right down here below the bar. Anyone see him? What I'm talking about? He's kind of gray. He has blue lips. He spit out sand. But that's the Hawaii state fish, and its name is the Huhu Huhu Nuku Nuku Akuha. It's a reef trigger fish. So when he gets triggered, he'll actually snort and run underwater like a pig. And his name actually translates to pig, and that's why. But they are really beautiful. They have those blue lips, and they have that black stripe that's kind of outlined.
You know that type of fish?
Hey, look,
There's a lot of those guys out here. If you catch them fishing, you do have to throw them back because they are protected.
You know?
Look at her.
There's an ornate butterfly fish right out here in front of that low coral. So that circular white one, there's two of them. And they have those orange stripes. Those are the ornate butterfly fish. Blue color. This one is a and all their
Behind you. Behind you.
have like a bunch of orangish red dots. If you're swimming,
I'm
you'll see them.
upstairs. Look, I'm up the
Looks like our diver Will's out there searching for some octopus. You'll see that he has that stick in his hand, that silver stick. It's actually called a taco stick. Taco, it means octopus in Japanese. So they'll use that stick to try and pry the octopus out of its cave that it's hiding in. Started over 30 years ago by Heidi's father. He did pass away, so she took it over along with her. This boat was made in 1991, so also 30 years ago. There was only 6 of these boats ever made, and only 3 of them are still in commission today. This is the only one here in the islands. The other 2, there's going to be one in Catalina Island and one in Cozumel. They are research boats, so none of them do anything like this tour. So it's pretty awesome that you get to be on here today with us. You guys are sitting about 8 feet under the water line right now, and that bar you see out your window, it's actually a crash bar. It's 5 feet away. So don't be surprised if you see the divers kind of swim up through there. It is big enough for them and their tank to fit through. The windows on here are curved, so you do get a magnified image of what you're seeing. But if you guys have any other questions about the company or the boat, feel free to ask Heidi. About those gold ring surgeon fish earlier. There's a couple down here, I keep seeing them turn exactly right. You can see the 2 gold rings down to their eyes. And they're kind of eating off that finger coral down there. Those are the gold ring surgeon fish.
Bakit na parang
Yeah, no worries. There's a long-nosed butterfly fish right out here. It's going to be this yellow and kind of like there's actually 2 of them. They are yellow with the black and white nose.
taking a video of her.